Okay, good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discussing about model-based techniques and handling high-dimensional data. First of all, we are going to discussing about model-based clustering methods. To optimize the fit between the data and some mathematical model. Data are generated by mixture of underlying probability distributions. Model-based clustering methods completely depending upon probability distribution techniques. So we have the following three techniques in model-based clustering methods. Those are those are those are expectation maximization, conceptual clustering, neural networks approach. First, expectation maximization. Each cluster is represented by mathematically by a parametric probability distribution, component distribution. Data is mixture of these distributions, mixture density model. See, all of you observe this particular diagram. This is maximum number of points within this particular cluster. So this is the centroid of this particular cluster. Expectation maximization. Iterative refinement algorithm used to find parameter estimates, extensions of k-means, assign an object to cluster according to weight representing. Probability of membership. Initial estimate of parameters. Iteratively reassigns scores. Initial guess for parameters. Randomly select k objects to represent cluster means or centers. Iteratively refine parameters or clusters. So with the help of these two formulas, we are finding expectation step and maximization step. Assign each object X to cluster C with the probability distribution function. With the help of this particular probability distribution function, we are finding the expectation step. With the help of this particular re-estimate model parameter mk, maximize the step. With the help of these two formulas, we are finding the expectation step and as well as maximization step. This is simple and easy to implement. Complexity depends on features, objects, and iterations. Second one is conceptual clustering. Conceptual clustering is a form of clustering in machine learning techniques. Produces a classification scheme for a set of unlabeled objects. Finds characteristic description for each concept. Cobweb. A popular and simple method of incremental conceptual learning creates a hierarchical clustering in the form of classification tree. Each node returns to concept and contains a probabilistic description of the concept. This is the clustering method. This is the classification tree for the means this is the simple example for cobweb clustering method. This is the classification tree. Classification tree. Each node means concept and its probabilistic distribution summary for object under that node. Description, conditional probabilistics. Siblings nodes at a given level form a partition. Category utility. This is the formula used to find out the category utility. This increase the expected number of attribute values that can be correctly guessed given a partition. Category utility rewards. Intra-class similarity, inter-class dissimilarity. High value indicates many class members share this attribute value pair. High values, fewer objects in different classes share this attribute value. That is inter-class dissimilarity. Placement of new objects. Descent tree. Identify best host. Temporarily place objects in each node and compute CU of resulting partition. Placement with highest CU is chosen. Cobweb may also form new nodes if object does not fit into the existing tree. Cobweb is sensitive to order of records. Additional operations, merging and splitting. Two best hosts are considered for merging. Best host is considered for splitting. Limitations. The assumption that the attributes are independent of each other is often too strong because correlation may exist. Not suitable for clustering large database data. Class IT, an extension of Cobweb for incremental clustering of continuous data. Third approach called neural network approach. It represents each cluster as an exemplar acting as a prototype of the cluster. New objects are distributed to the cluster whose exemplar is the most similar according to some distance measures. Self-organizing map. Competitive learning involves hierarchical architecture of several units, means neurons. Neurons compete in a winner takes all fashion for the object currently being presented. Organization of units forms a feature map. Web document cluster. This is the example for neural network approach. All of you observe this example. Clustering high dimensional data. This is another concept that is called clustering high dimensional data. As the dimensionality increases, number of irrelevant dimensions may produce noisy and mask real clusters. Data becomes sparse. Distance measures meaningless. Future transformation methods. We have two types of future transformation methods. PCA SVD, summarize data by creating linear combination of attributes, but do not remove any attributes. Transformed attributes complex to interpret. Feature selection methods. Most relevant set of attributes with respect to class labels. Entropy analysis. Subspace clustering. Searches for groups of clusters within different subspaces of the same dataset. ClickQ. Clustering in QQuest. Dimension growth subspace clustering starts at 1D and grows upwards to higher dimensions. Partitions, each dimension's grids determine whether cell is dense or not. Clicky CLIQ determines sparse and crowded units. Dense unit means fraction of data points means greater than or equal to threshold value. That is called dense unit. Maximal set of connected dense units is called cluster. First, partition d-dimensional space into non-overlapping units. Perform in 1D, one-dimensional, based on a priori property. If a k-dimensional unit is dense, so are it projections in k-1 dimensional space. Such space size is reduced. This is the example for ClickQ. Determines the maximal dense region and generates a minimal description. Find subspace of highest dimension. Insensitive to order of inputs. Performance depends on grid size and density threshold. Difficult to determine across all dimensions. Several lower dimensional subspaces will have to be processed. Can use adaptive strategy. Proclus means projected clustering. Dimension reduction subspace clustering technique. Finds initial approximation of clusters in high dimensional space. Avoids generation of large number of overlapped clusters of lower dimensionality. Finds best set of methods by hill climbing process, so means similar to Clarence. Manhattan segmental distance measure. Initialization phase. Greedy algorithm to select a set of initial methods that are far apart. Iteration phase selects a random set of k midoids. Replace bad midoids. For each midoid, a set of dimensions is chosen whose average distances are small. Refinement page computes new dimensions for each midoid based on clusters found. Regions points to midoids and removes outliers. Frequent pattern based clustering. Another approach called frequent pattern based clustering. Frequent patterns may also form clusters. Instead of growing cluster dimension, by dimension sets of frequent item sets are determined. Two common techniques we have for frequent pattern based clustering. One is frequent term based text clustering. Second one is clustering by pattern similarity. First one is frequent term based text clustering. Text documents are clustered based on frequent terms they contain. Documents terms dimensionality is very high. Frequent term based analysis. Well selected subset of set of all frequent terms must be discovered. F suffix I means set of frequent term sets. COV of Fi means set of documents covered by Fi. Sigma equal to 1 to I. COV of F suffix I equal to D means an overlap between Fi and Fj must be minimized. Description of clusters, their frequent term sets. Clustering by pattern similarity. P cluster on microarray data analysis. DNA microarray analysis. Expression levels of two gens may rise and fall synchronously in response to stimuli. Two objects are similar if they exhibit a coherent pattern on subset of dimensions. This is the example for clustering by similar pattern similarity. P cluster, shift pattern discovery, Euclidean distance not suitable, derive new attributes by clustering based on mean squared residue square. P cluster, objects x comma y, attributes a comma b. These are the p square of dxa, dxb, dya, dyb, which is equal to det of dxa minus dxb minus dya minus dyb. A pair O comma T forms a delta P cluster if for any 2 cross 2 matrix x in O comma T. P square of x less than or equal to delta. Each pair of objects and their features must satisfy the threshold value. Scaling patterns, dxa divided by dya divided by dxb divided by dyb less than or equal to delta dash. P cluster can be used in another application also. In university point of view, how they ask a question, explain model based clustering methods, or another technique is, that is one thing. Second one is explain clustering high dimensionality data. These are the two questions in this particular today covered topic. If you have any question, raise the question in interaction session. Thank you.